Hi everybody, and welcome back to my studio. Today, I'm going to teach you how to draw a wizard character. So grab a paper and something to draw with, and let's get started. Okay, first, we're going to start with this character. We're going to start top down. So we're going to start with the hat and work our way down the character. So right here, we're going to draw a line like that. From the back, we're going to go back to the top and draw a rounded shape coming off like that and stop. Perfect. Right here, we're going to pass this line we just finished a little bit right there and come down and stop. Let's close off this shape with a rounded line, and then let's do another rounded line but have it wrap around like this. Perfect. And there is our wizard's hat. Now, as we're working down the character, we're going to come over here on this side and we're going to draw some bushy eyebrows. Just some jagged, bushy eyebrows like that. Perfect. Underneath the eyebrows, let's draw 2 round circles for eyes. And we'll do a couple lines underneath like that. Draw the pupils looking to the side. And then over here, we'll start underneath the hat and do some jagged lines for the hair. Have it come down over there on the side and have a couple lines like that on the side as well. Let's move over to this side of the face and do a line. Have the hair coming over on the side. And maybe we'll add an ear like this and a little detail in there to finish that ear off. Perfect. Now next we're going to work on the nose and the beard and mustache of this wizard. So let's go down like this with a nose. And then over to the mustache, we'll start on this side of the nose and come over and stop right there because it's going to keep going down for the beard. Let's come over on the inside and do some lines like that. And another one like this. And then we'll close off the mustache by going from the nose down around like that. Perfect. There's the mustache. If we come underneath these hairs and do a rounded shape, that's the wizard's lip. Let's keep going with the beard and come down and go up and down with some jagged lines. The jagged line right there on the side and close off that beard. There. Now we have a face and a beard for our wizard. Let's come on the side like this and finish off his head and close it into the beard. From the ear, curve down to that beard. Okay, let's wrap around that neck and do another rounded line for the collar of his robes. And now we can move down to the body. So we'll start on this side and come down and stop. And we're going to do a rounded line all the way over on this side, like that, and stop. Perfect. Before we can finish over here, we're going to do an arm. So we'll start right here and come down and stop. Come in, stop there, and then back up. Let's add a hand by coming down and around in. Another line like that. Another line around and up for the end finger. And there's his first hand. Let's come back and close off that robe. And now on this side, we're going to add a hand with a wand. So let's have the arm coming out. Then the sleeve going up. Rounded line to connect it. Let's have a hand line going up and a curved line for a thumb. And then a few curved lines like this to finish off the hand. Perfect. Now let's add the wand. We'll do a line up, tiny little line over, and then another straight line down. We'll add a little rectangle right there at the bottom and a line like that. Perfect. Now we have both arms done and a wand. Let's add some little shoes to our wizard. We'll do a curved line like this, and then back down. And we're gonna copy the same over here. A little line and then up, for a little curl on his toe, and back down to that robe. Just a tiny little shadow on his shoes. Perfect. Okay, let's add some details on his face. Maybe a hair or two coming off. Some details on his beard. And then let's add maybe some stars on his robe and hat. Like that. Just a few stars around, and then a couple on his hat. Perfect. A few more details. And let's add some magic coming off of his wand. And there we have a wizard. Yay! You did a really good job following along with me. I know that one was kind of tough, but you kept going and you're a really talented artist. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you come back soon. Bye! If you haven't yet, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Also, visit YayBubbaDraws.com and sign up for my newsletter. There, you will be able to download free coloring books, hear about awesome art challenges, and win prizes. See you next time. Bye!